So, I'm just gonna do this for YouTube. In my journey of learning how to lockpick, I decided I'm gonna learn how to lockpick these gun locks. And the stupidest thing that I've discovered is that, if I just don't put tension at all, no tension whatsoever, and just lift up on this last pin, then start tension. Wait, no, I have to make sure I'm exactly on it. It just undoes. It just undoes itself. That works on none of the pins other than the last one. See, I'll do the exact same thing. Release tension, place, not working. I could start tensioning right away and then go all the way to that back one. Getting it, nothing. But if no tension whatsoever, I go to the back one. Have to make sure I actually get it. So stupid. It's the stupidest thing I've ever discovered. I don't remember the brand. Here's the, oh, no wonder, it's made in China. I'm like an amateur lockpick person. I like doing it for fun. Got all these practice locks and stuff. As soon as I discovered this, I just had to tell the whole world.